Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here, WeBe Autos. Today we have a 1979 Scout. Beautiful truck. It's kind of like an SS Tribute, Super Scout Tribute. It's got the Super Scout doors, flares, colors, striping, a little valance in the back. Brand new tires and rims. It's got a fuel-injected Vortec motor in it. It's kind of like a 383. Obviously four-wheel drive. Brand new canvas top. Push bar up front. Big knuckles underneath. Runs and drives fantastic. Love the color combination. Got headers, performance exhaust, fuel injection, power steering, power brakes. A lot of time and money. Hop in it, turn the key. No pumping of the gas, no gas smell from the garage. It does have air conditioning on the motor, however it isn't hooked up. It's got the Super Scout front grille as well, push bar. Deluxe interior, which is also pretty new. Padded dash, custom steering wheel. Brand new carpets. Hurst belts. Subwoofer under the dash. B&M shifter. There's the other side panel or door. Got a healthy sound. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. Thanks a lot.